8 things not to put in the microwave. My thanks to Ann Taylor for her article, which was the inspiration for this video. You'll find her article at the link listed. A microwave is an incredible, convenient kitchen appliance that has revolutionized how we cook and heat foods. However, not everything can be safely microwaved. Some foods and items can be dangerous to put in this appliance, posing a risk to your health and kitchen appliances. Here are 8 things that you should never stick in the microwave. Styrofoam containers. While using these containers for microwaving your leftovers may seem convenient, it can be hazardous. When heated, the styrofoam can melt and leach chemicals into your food, which can be harmful to your health. Additionally, the heat can cause the container to warp and spill hot food or liquid, causing burns or damage to your microwave. Use microwave-safe glass or ceramic containers for reheating your food. Some takeout containers are microwave-safe, but they will be labeled if they are. If you aren't sure, play it safe and reheat your leftovers in another container. Grapes. When grapes are cut in half and placed in the microwave, the small size and shape of the grape halves, combined with the water and salt content inside the grape, can create a type of plasma that acts as a conductor of electricity. This can ignite a spark, which can lead to a fire, posing a danger to your safety and your home. Hard-boiled eggs. Whole hard-boiled eggs may burst in the microwave and cause a huge mess. Eggs with the shell on can also build up steam inside and explode while cooking. Even if the egg doesn't explode, the pressure from the steam inside the egg can cause it to burst open when you remove it from the microwave, releasing scalding hot water and potentially burning you. A safer way to hard-boil an egg is to place it in boiling water and cook it for 9 to 12 minutes, depending on how hard you want the yolk to be. If you want to cook eggs in the microwave, make sure they are out of the shell. This typically works best with omelets. Plastic containers. Similar to styrofoam, plastic containers can release harmful chemicals when heated in the microwave. This is especially true for containers that are not labeled as microwave safe. The heat can cause the plastic to break down, leaching chemicals into your food that can be hazardous to your health. If you store leftovers in plastic containers, move them to a glass or ceramic container before heating them in the microwave. Microwave-safe containers don't have harmful chemicals in them that can impact your food. Aluminum foil. It is generally not safe to put aluminum foil in the microwave. When microwaves come into contact with metal, they can create sparks and potentially start a fire. This is because metal reflects microwaves and can cause an intense electrical current to flow through the metal, which can lead to a spark. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration does say that it's safe to put a small amount of aluminum foil in the microwave for short periods of time. However, to play it safe, stick to microwave-safe lids instead of foil when covering food. Metal utensils. Using metal utensils in the microwave is a big no-no. Metal reacts to microwaves the same way as aluminum foil, but even more severely. Sparks from metal utensils can ignite a fire or damage the microwave. Metal can also become very hot when heated in the microwave, which can burn you if you touch it or cause it to ignite nearby materials. To avoid any risk of fire or damage to your microwave, it's best to use microwave-safe utensils made from glass, ceramic, or plastic when heating food in the microwave. If you accidentally put a metal utensil in the microwave and it starts to spark, turn off the microwave immediately and remove the utensil with oven mitts or tongs. Hot peppers. Microwaving hot peppers may not necessarily be dangerous, but it can cause the peppers to release capsaicin, which is the compound that makes peppers spicy. This can cause the fumes and steam from the peppers to irritate your eyes, nose, and throat, which can be uncomfortable and even painful. If you need to cook hot peppers for a recipe, use a pan, skillet, or the oven. If you do decide to microwave hot peppers, it's best to do so with caution and take care to avoid inhaling the fumes or getting burned by the hot juices. Bread. The microwave can make the bread soggy and rubbery. This is because the microwave works on heating up the water molecules in food, and bread has a high water content. When you microwave bread, the moisture inside the bread can turn into steam, which can make the bread soggy. If you need to reheat bread, use a toaster or an oven. The dry heat of these warming methods won't cause your bread to get rubbery, although you will need to watch the bread to make sure it doesn't dry out. By being mindful of what you put into the microwave, you can avoid potential hazards and keep yourself and your kitchen safe. So please keep these 8 items out of the microwave and stick to safer cooking and warming methods. Stay safe, stay secure, but keep using that microwave oven for sure. See you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for listening and watching.